triple step footwork, and today is the 25th of February and we're at St James's Hall. So we did triple steps, and here are some practice techniques for you. We go step, close, step. Get used to this. We go step, close, step, step, close, step, and step, close, step. Nice and easy. And after that, we add the rhythm. We go step, close, step, and step, close, step, and a triple step, and a triple step. Then we practice the rock step. I'm going to relax my hips, come forward, catch yourself. Forwards, relax, forwards, relax, forwards. Have a go at the other leg as well. Relax, forwards, relax, forwards, relax, forwards. Have a go at going back. I go relax back, relax back, relax back. Do it with either foot. And now I'm going to do rock step, triple step. I'm going to go rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step. Now I'm going to ask my to partner with me. And we'll go towards the camera and away. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step. Elbows nice and dead. Relax your hips. Rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step. And now we're going to show you the intermediate class. And what we did was in jockey position, leaders, we wanted to lead any number of rock steps, any number of triple steps.
So we want very clear movement. We want our rock steps to actually have body movement and small steps. And then your triple steps should travel smoothly.
And then we had some shapes for you as well. We did the classic one-arm tuck turn.
So we have the catch, redirect, and then we were into our last bite with full range of movement from the follower.